All right, happy Thursday, everybody. I hope you're having a great week so far. Look forward to seeing you live tomorrow at 1:30. Don't forget to click this link here. Okay, if so click this link here, and then if you're having any troubles, remember the troubleshooting is on the slides, but we'll go over that in just a minute. Again, your daily videos will be posted here as well as on the slides. So let's open up the slides. Remember, the slides are for the entire week. So put this in presentation mode. Then we have, okay, so it's loading. All right, so again, your schedule. So today you have your math live at 11:30, and then tomorrow science live at 1:30. I hope this schedule is helping you manage your time. All right, this is Monday's work, Tuesday's work, Wednesday's work, and now Thursday. Okay, so Thursday, make sure that you check your grade because today is the last day of the quarter. Again, remember the daily videos will walk you through the work. So again, you should be done with your blend space. If not, you need to get done today. Your Quizlets, your Frayer models should be done. If not, you need to get them done today. Common lit articles need to be done if they're not already, and vocabularies as well as DEs. Again, this was work you knew about before we left for remote learning. Again, this is the last day of the quarter, so please have your work in. Today is the last day to complete the Mastery Connect challenge that is due today. Again, this is how to access Mastery Connect as well as the review test. So remember to click here for your directions. Thank you. Shout out to Carla, Zoe, and Jeannie who have completed it and done a great job. So if I could have more participation, that would be lovely. That would be a great way to help boost your grade. All right, so specifically insulators and conductors today. So if you click on this link, it'll take you directly to the notes that you need to take on insulators and conductors. So specifically, today you need to do your notes on page 76. Remember to highlight what's in bold. So if you have a highlighter, use a highlighter. If not, underline it, or a color pencil or a marker works as well. So an insulator. An insulator does not allow energy to pass through it easily. So think of an insulator keeps in the energy or keeps in the heat and doesn't allow it to pass through it easily. For example, pot holders that we use to take out things out of the oven, plastic, rubber, and wood. So all of those do not allow energy to pass through it easily. That doesn't mean that energy won't pass through it eventually because wood does burn, but it takes a significant amount of time. So again, an insulator does not allow the energy to pass through it easily. So a pot holder, we hold it in so we can touch things that are hot and it doesn't burn us. Again, you have plastic, wood is all an insulator, okay? Plastic, rubber are all wood. So rubber, like on our cords, rubber that's on the outside is an insulator because we don't want to get shocked. Again, the metal, which is the conductors on the end. So we have the insulator to protect us and then the conductor to allow it to pass through. So that leads us to our next word, conductors. Allows energy to pass through it easily, like metal allows it through. You can see this metal patch. Copper allows it through, and aluminum foil are just a few examples. Okay, metals, anything that's metal gets hot quickly. Okay, and then electrical energy. Electrical energy is the energy caused by the movement of electrons. Okay, so the example of electric energy is circuits. Circuits allow electrons to make a full trip around and the electricity to flow. So we're going to go over that with the lab. So you can see here that I have my battery or my chemical energy here. I have my insulators right here, the rubber, and my conductor at the end. So I'm going to use my battery for my source of energy. And then the goal you can see here is to light up the light bulb. If it lights up, then the circuit has been complete, therefore it's a conductor. If the light doesn't light up, the circuit cannot be complete, so the electrons cannot make a full trip around. Therefore, it's an insulator. So my copper mesh right here that's hooked up is allowing the electrons to flow. So you can see that the light is lighting up. Now, I'm going to show you, for example, so I'm going to take my conductor away. I'm going to add my insulator, so my wood. Okay, so my wood. So I'm going to put my insulator on it. Okay, there's my conductor, there's my insulator, here's my insulator. So my light, therefore you can see right here that my light is not lighting up. So we know that the electrons are not passing through and cannot make their full trip around. Even though it's still plugged into the battery, the electrons cannot flow easily through the insulator. So then again, therefore, I'm going to take another metal, so my metal ring right here, I'm going to hook it up. And then therefore, now my light lights up. So we can see that the light bulb is lighting up. You can see it right here, it's shining bright. Therefore, I know that the electrons, it's a conductor because the electrons are flowing through my circuit and lighting up my light bulb. So I know that the electrons can flow because conductors allow energy to pass easily. Where, again, my insulator, my piece of wood, again, right here, so my popsicle stick versus my construction paper, again, the light does not light up. So you can see that the light's not lighting up. Even though it's all hooked up, the insulator is not going to allow the electrons to pass through. Whereas my copper sheet, if I hook this one up, my light bulb lights up. So it allows the electrons to flow through. So again, metal is our conductors, and wood, plastic, and rubber are our insulators. Again, it's going to go through from my conductor through the insulator to light up my light bulb. If it is a conductor, the energy continues, the circuit is complete. It's a conductor, the circuit is complete, it makes a full trip. If it's an insulator, the circuit cannot be complete and the electrons do not flow through. Again, because conductors allow energy to pass through it easily, like metal, copper, aluminum, where insulators do not allow electricity to pass through it, pot holders, plastic, and rubber. So we need both sides. We need insulators to protect us from the electricity and conductors to allow the electricity to pass through. So we do need both of them. Right, so that was your notes for today, insulators and conductors. Again, finish any of the work. Today is the last day of the quarter. So you have until midnight tonight to finish any of your work. Starting 8 a.m. Friday, I am going to go through your grades and to make sure that you have your work in. So if you finish anything on Friday, because please make sure that you email me directly so I can make sure that the grade is in. Other than that, the grades will be reflected of what I can see and fix. So if you've finished something after me, I really need you to email me and I will continue to fix your grades, but I need you to email me starting Friday if you fix anything. All right. So I hope you have a great Thursday. See you tomorrow for Science Live. We'll review everything and make sure if you finish everything, if you have any questions, and kind of go over what we're going to do next week tomorrow in Science Live. So I hope you have a great day and see you tomorrow at 1:30 for the live lesson. Bye, guys.